Did you know kids who travel are more creative, confident, and open-minded? And guess what? It doesn't have to break the bank. Adventure travel isn't just about epic destinations or thrilling activities. It's stepping out of your comfort zone and embracing new experiences. For kids, this means learning life skills they can't get in a classroom. Whether it's hiking a local trail, exploring a new culture, or simply trying different foods, travel helps kids develop resilience, problem-solving skills, and a deep appreciation for the world around them. The best part? Adventure doesn't require expensive flights or fancy gear. Some of the most unforgettable moments happen on a budget, like camping under the stars or exploring a nearby town. So pack your bags, even if it's just for a weekend getaway, because the real adventure is the memories you'll make together. Follow us for inspiration on affordable family adventures and tips to make every trip unforgettable near and far.